What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes, on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, good day everyone, I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you've been following my videos, you know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and now I'm creating an online platform from affiliate marketers around the world. Yes, due to my experience in affiliate marketing, the struggles that I've went through, and due to the solution I have now to the problem which most of the affiliate marketers are facing, which is the source, as in how to get organic leads to your affiliate platform so that you can get sales. So from my findings and the solution which I have for affiliate marketers around the world, as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer. So I have developed this software, this affiliate marketing traffic generating software, which help me get organic leads online from digital platforms and promote your affiliate marketing sales page or your link to these organic leads for you to have sales. So remember I said I'm trying to create a digital platform for affiliate marketers around the world, and I already have many students around the world already, but I still need more students because I'm still coming up with more techniques by which you can become a successful affiliate marketer. So my aim is to create successful affiliate marketers around the world, and with time we are going to move on to other higher things in affiliate marketing and other digital marketing platforms. So today I'm going to show you the results which my software gave one of my students that got my software and video course. This is the result of one of my students' account. He got my software and video course and is doing fine. Remember, my video course will take you step by step on how to use my software to get organic leads online, and my software also entails some techniques which contains some kind of product you have to choose and some locations which are known for that particular product, so you can get big sales and excellent sales like the one you can see on the screen. So to get my software and video course today, enjoy the click of the smart ones that can making edge in affiliate marketing and making big sales and earning millions online while they sleep. Yes, because with my software you don't have to share links too much, you just have to set it up. It's a setup type of software. You just have to set it up and it will send your link to this organic leads online by itself. So remember, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making edge and millions in affiliate marketing. Yes, it has gone beyond sharing links online, but the chances you take and the method you use with my software, this is a very wise method and a smart way of earning millions online. So get my software today, enjoy the click of the smart ones. And as my student, if you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to create a Clickbank account for you, and I'll create a sales page for your product which you are going to say. You just have to set it up and start promoting and earn your money. So also remember, I manage accounts for students, but I've been busy recently, that's why I've not really been posting videos like before. I've been very busy with some of my student accounts and my own personal account too. You know, I'm also earning my own money as I'm training people. Yeah, because it is because I've earned enough and I'm still earning here, because you can't earn enough. Yeah, I'm still earning. That is why I want to bring up others too, because due to my struggle with affiliate marketing and online business, I want to create a platform, a bigger platform, and with time I'm going to create other I'm going to train students online on other affiliate marketing or digital marketing platform where they can earn money online. So remember, you can also contact me on my Gmail at skyroad07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today. So get my software and video course today and join the club of the smart ones that are making millions online. Once again, I go by name Scarlett and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.